What up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Peace, peace. It's your boy Shaq here on Don Concepts. If you see where I'm at, you know it's about to go down. Budget bill. Yes. We're getting close to the end of it, but we're not quite there yet. We still got a few things to do. So stay tuned, and I'll show you guys what happens today. Oh, man, I got you. Man, we getting there. So you guys stay tuned. Alright, so if you've watched the last budget build video, you will have seen that we lowered the car a bit on some springs that we got for like 70 bucks. And it rode good. So today we'll do some fog lights, probably do the front lip, and I'm not too sure. I don't want to say exactly what we get into, but I know for sure those two things we'll do. So Kurt's about to hit the lift, and we'll get started. Alright, y'all, so as you can see, and probably saw from the time lapse, we installed both side fogs. It's funny because we didn't know this before. I swear this is not cap, but before installing the fog light, we didn't know there was a harness already there. Hopefully it works. We don't know yet. We haven't tried it, but we're about to, well, the bulbs look like they are in there. So we're about to check inside and see if there's a switch that works. So stay tuned. So fast forward, we checked out the plugs back here. They didn't look really too good, so we decided we're gonna actually run the harness that came with the package. So let's check it out as we run it back here.
Alright, so basically what it is, right? This kit that we ordered came with two harnesses. There's one that goes on the radiator support, and then the other one that goes to the switch. Before we move forward, we're gonna test the bulbs, make sure that they work good, you know? We run a constant power from the battery, direct power from the battery. Some for cables. Don't do this at home. Alright, so let's go.
Alright,
so they work. Alright, so let's move on to the other side.
beverage break.
Alright, so we got the harness for the lights installed. It goes across the radiator support. See that jack down there? Come closer. Yeah, that jack right there is what this now goes and plugged into.
Okay.
Gonna get plugged into that, and then the rest of it is gonna go into the car. Alright, stay tuned.
You guys saw, we ran the second half of the harness inside the car. We take off the wheel and all that good stuff, and this is where we currently are situated. So we have a ground, we have our relay, and this is what we're going to be using for power. And then of course we have our switch. So stay tuned and we're going to show you exactly how we run it. Alright, so everything is now in. The wires are all cleaned up. This is our power. This is the dimmer that controls up here. And all we have to do is put the trim pieces on and good to go.
Pop this in. Alright, connect this. Here.
Alright, y'all. Unfortunately, we ran out of time. We told you we was gonna put on the lip, and we was trying to do one other thing other than that for you guys, but we ran out of time today. But stay tuned for the series on the budget bill, as you guys know, and we'll be back. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.